Good morning, y'all. Your boy Dominoes 7 here, and happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter Sunday, everybody. I appreciate y'all watching. Okay, just finished YouTube live, watching church on my television. Okay, that's the Asian Baptist Church. Yeah, we gonna have some church in this house. You know. Well, well, it sound be absent. I thought about being on the drums, but I'm not that good. I'm not that good at drums. Cause if it had been me, I would have skipped the beat. You know, Mr. Todd is good. I remember the organist before him, but I never knew his name. They did an organist before that. Then it was Miss Corner, and then well no, brother McCarty. Then Miss Corner. All right, so I must say, I'm so blessed to see another day. I'm so blessed to be here on this Easter Sunday. So my mom was 59 in 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, my bad. My mama would have been 63 this year. Okay. So her birthday is next Tuesday on the 26th, and she would have been 63 this year. She would have been 62 right now. Okay. So died all the eggs by myself yesterday and stuff like that. I don't know what the weather gonna be though. Okay. So I try to bring y'all outside, but I always get disconnected. Every time I go in the back. And I mean, I could have promised Reverend Thibodeau that I'm a watch the full show. You know. All right. Yep. If y'all watching. Yep. Uh huh. Cause I want to tell Reverend Thibodeau that I'm going to watch the full service. I say that on Facebook. Well, here on Facebook. Well, if you're watching me on YouTube, I post a status on Facebook that I was going to watch the full service. Yep. So that's what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to watch the. Oh Lord. Yeah, cause it keep. Well. All right then. I'm sorry, y'all. The internet is poor internet service over here. Sometime though, you know. Maybe I should get another box in this house to get it wired in here or what? All right, so I'd hide my computer upstairs and I'm on my laptop and I'm still uploading videos. Okay. Oh my God. Please work, God. Please work so I can watch this. All right. So yeah, happy Easter, everybody. You know, this is a beautiful day. So I don't know what the weather gonna be today. Will it rain or will it continue to be nice outside? I hope it don't rain on y'all parade though. So it should be nice. Oh come on, please stop. All right. I really don't know what the heck is wrong with this. I got I got the service planned in Brock Room though. Okay. All right, so all right. Look at Mr. Sam and Mr. Tardy. You know. Uh huh. I'm so glad them two had a chance to meet Reverend Bridges, but they wasn't at this church when Reverend Bridges was the pastor. I asked a silly question of Mr. Tardy. Was he the organist with? And I ain't see him on the organist on the organ. You know. You know. All right. I mean, we had a few organists when I was growing up, from my childhood to until I was 13 or 14 or 15. We had Mr. McCarty and Miss Corner. You know, I think Miss Corner left our church in 2000. Actually, I'm telling y'all, in 2000 she left our church. And I think Brother McCarty left us in 2000 or 1999 or something. All right, so happy Easter, y'all. Best time to spend with family. Eat you some gumbo. Eat y'all some big macaronis or something like that. Fried chicken or fish or whatever, you know. Mm-hmm. Some have good luck, some have bad luck, you know. You know. So, I mean, it's a beautiful day. It's a blessing to still be alive, you know. Okay. I sure miss my grandmother. I miss my mom and my aunties that's no longer here with us, you know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just with the time when we get dressed, or you know, I remember one time we had caught the bus to my grandmother on the Easter Sunday, you know. What was it? Well, it was one of the new buses at the time, you know. A few other times it was one of the old buses, you know. Okay. I was always excited to watch. I mean, say catch the bus to the family house. You know, I remember catching the bus Christmas Eve to my auntie house. Well, I don't know if she want me to mention her name though, because she had told me don't mention her name when I'm doing this video. You know. All right, so you could watch your YouTube on you could watch the church on YouTube or Facebook or whatever, you know. All right, so I'm about to cut this off and enjoy this segment, okay? The service, all right. I hope it stop stopping, you know, so it could continue on going so I can hear the word, okay. Thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all. God keep y'all.